Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Carnival, as you all know, is starting on the 26th of this month. And they're starting with the traditional floats that are going to start from Deepja Circle and wind its way all the way along the traditional route up to Kala Academy. It will end there. And the forms for the floats already ready. So those who are interested can come and collect it right away, along with the instructions that they are supposed to follow. Now, in Panjim Carnival, we are having it at Samba Square. Now, this festival is going to be one of a unique one, because this festival is going to feature a lot of leading musicians, a lot of leading artists on all the days, all 4 days of the carnival. In the evening, we will be having musicians and a very good possibility of some good celebrities from Bollywood. The second day of the carnival, the 27th, we intend to hold a rally, a vintage car rally, for which quite a number of vehicles, vintage vehicles, will feature. And they will be kept for display at the multiplex courtyard. Vehicles which will be driven along this route will be escorted with a number of Harley Davidson motorcycles, exclusively Harley Davidson motorcycles. Various basking stations. Basking stations are those musicians who will be playing at street corners and various other designated places, where there will be a series of songs being played with a lot of emphasis once again, I stress, a lot of emphasis once again on Konkani and English. We have another added attraction this time. It was a request which we considered favorably and we have granted it. It is dogs, regarding dogs. We are putting up a kind of a dog stall. Now these dogs are basically stray dogs which otherwise would have starved to death in some garbage bin. There is no garbage bin Panjim, but would have starved to death. So these dogs are for adoption. We also have another thing called a heritage trial. The heritage trials are a group of hotelers and restaurateurs and cafe owners who have come forward asking what they could do, how they could help, how they could contribute.
This year, Taj decided to take part because that we want to make sure, as Commissioner Sir said, that this Panjim city has to get lively with some other things, not just casino. So I think we decided to take part and to make it very memorable for all. To tell you about, you might think that we are going to sell the food at the same rate as the Taj rate. No, it is going to be 10% of what we normally charge. So we have a whole idea behind this. We want to support the locals. We are going to buy food from the locals and sell it at no profit, no loss. So whether the poi or the choris pav or whatever we are talking.